In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy 500 MB for 100 naira, 1 gig for 200 naira, and 1.5 gig for 300 naira. So if you are a Airtel user, this video is for you. Hello dear viewers and subscribers of Design and Tech Up YouTube channel. You are welcome to another episode of an amazing video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy 1.5 gig for just 300 naira, 1 gig for 200 naira, and 500 MB for 100 naira. So if you are a Airtel user, this video is for you. And as for the MTN users as well, I will got you covered with a lot of cheap MTN bundles, which I will include the link in the pinned comment in the comment box, and I will also insert the link in the video description. But before I disclose these cheap Airtel bundles, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you so much for supporting this channel. I really appreciate. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open your dialer and dial *312 *561 #. Send using your Airtel line. So yeah, we will having this drop down menu. The first one is 500 MB at 100 naira, which is 2 days, 1 gig at 200 naira, which is 2 days, and 1.5 gig at 300 naira, which is 5 days. So if you want to buy any of these bundle, you are going to input the number to buy. So let's test with the second one, which is 1 gig at 200 naira. So yeah, this is now activated for me. This is the first one which I will be showing. So yeah, to buy the second one, dial *121 #. So send using your Airtel line as well. So yeah, once you send this, the first number, which is buy bundles and services, you press 1, send. You press 1, which is my offer, you send this. And here you have the number 2, which is 100 naira at 500 MB. This lasts for 7 days. This is 7 days validity. That is just how you can buy these cheap Airtel bundles. I don't really know if this is available for all Airtel users. Are you able to buy this Airtel bundle? Let me know in the comment section. Do you want more of cheap Airtel bundles like this? Let me know in the comment section as well. Thanks for watching.